Aloha and welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks at beachwalks.tv. It's raining, clouds and dogs and thunder and lightning. So we're not having a beach walk today, but we have some nice footage for you of thunder and the lightning and the rain. So have a good one. See you tomorrow.
Here's your recorded Oahu forecast, including Honolulu and vicinity. The flash flood watch remains in effect. Mostly cloudy today. Chance of thunderstorms. Locally heavy rainfall is possible. High temperatures 75 to 80. Southeast winds around 10 miles an hour.
Anything else on the roadways, I gotta let you know they're happening on the North Shore, both beside Turtle Bay. We got a down telephone pole. Hopefully it's not what happened last week Sunday. I'm on the west side, but we do have a down telephone pole up there by Turtle Bay, blocking a lane, so that's kind of bad news. Also heading southbound H1 freeway, choke ponding all over the highway, so make sure you watch out for that. And again, if you see anything else on the roadways, let me help you by helping me on the roadway. 2961003.